My pregnancy was kind of difficult. We struggled to get pregnant. I had gestational diabetes. That's why they wanted to induce me at 39 weeks. Dr. Weaver's been my doctor for 6 years, 7 years maybe.
She was starting to express some distress and some difficulty breathing, and at that moment is when everything went wrong.
I heard Megan scream my name. Staff just flooded the room and pretty much pushed me out of the way and did what they had to do.
Megan experienced an amniotic fluid embolism, which is an extremely rare complication that usually occurs during labor.
My heart stopped for 14 minutes. They immediately went to resuscitate me, brought me into the OR to perform an emergency C-section.
She's coding, and I can hear her coding over the intercoms. And I don't know what's going on with my son, and he's being worked on in a different place than she's being worked on.
Sullivan came out and required immediate breathing and immediate help in recovering. There was a good chance that blood flow to his brain had stopped and would therefore cause a long-term problem for his brain.
They continued CPR on me until I was stabilized. My heart started beating again, and they moved me to the critical care unit.
We had to give her a lot of blood transfusions. She had to go back to the OR, just really monitoring her vital signs and giving her life support. That first day was very crucial.
Thankfully, at Overland Park, we were set up to be able to provide Megan and Sully the care that they both needed during that first hour emergently and then throughout the remainder of that day. I remember standing in her room at one point during that resuscitation and counting 16 people in her room.
I mean, from that minute of everything going bad all the way until we were discharged was just incredible. The staff was unbelievable.
I don't feel like the hospital was a bad memory. The nurses were so great, the doctors are amazing. Dr. Weaver's amazing. She saved my life, and she just is the sweetest, most compassionate person, and also brilliant and knows how to save your life.
Megan and Sully's story is such an inspiration and reminds me why I get out of my bed and do this crazy job every day. And I think it reminds us all why we do this job. And that's why I'm committed to care.